So hello guys. So today we will be starting with our practical first. That's a very simple practical. Just we need to use some concepts here, like the simple view we have to create the index. We have to create use of sequence, synonym, and we have to maintain a referential integrity. Also include referential integrity constraint between the two tables, and also include the with the on delete cascade. So let me first show you. These are the queries that we need to perform. I have taken this schema as a reference. Also, I have taken this schema as well. Both are same. I will show you this one, and you as a homework you need to write these queries. Okay, so let's start. I have created first is insert at least 10 records in these tables. So these are the three tables that we do need to create. Employee, department, project with these following attributes. I have already created. Let me show you. This is my employee table with these following attributes. I have also included this synonym auto increment, then followed by this department table, project table. Then now these are the entries that I have included in the employee table, department table, and project table. So let's start with our second query, because first query which we have already performed, that is inserted all the 10 records in each table. So now we have to display all the employees with department ID, and this is done. Display all the employees with department computer and IT, and employee first name should be starting with P or H. So let me first see my employee table. So this is my employee table. So let's see whether we have employee name starting with P or H. So no, I have not included the employee name starting with P or H. So let me first update my table. Update. So now let's see. So yeah, now we have two employees whose name starts with P or H. So now let's write our second query. Select. We need department name from employee. Here we need to use inner join, because this is employee F name is from this employee table, attribute is from employee table, and department name is not present in this table, so we need to use join, and we need to use the department table as well. So we use inner join department using the common attribute that we have, that is department ID. And now we need to provide our condition, that is where department name in, that is CE comma IT, and our employee F name should be, I will make use of regular expression. I will write P or H. Okay. So as you can see, Pankaj is having one employee which has the department CE and whose name starts with P, but Harsh is not there. Why? Because let me see which department Harsh is working in. Harsh's employee number is 202, and it's in MBA department, not in CE or IT department. That's why we didn't get Harsh as our output. So I hope you get it. This basically means, this arrow, upper arrow basically means starting with whose name beginning with P or beginning with H. So I hope you got it. Now let's write another query, that is list the different employee positions. Let me first see my employee table. Now these are the employee positions that I have, and there are duplicates employee position, like SD is coming twice, professor is coming once. So we have to only show unique employee position. So here we will make use of distinct and followed by the position, employee position from employee. Okay, so here we have our employees with the following employee position. distinct or different employee position. So this one is also done. Now we have to use this, that is give 10% increase in salary of the employee whose birth date before 1985. This is basically whose join date, not birth date, because in all the three tables we don't have birth date. So this is basically join date. So let me write the query. So let me first see my employee table. Now let me write down the query. Select employee name, in fact employee f name. We can write employee name by making use of concat operator, which will basically take the two attributes that you need to concatenate. So this is employee first name, employee last name. Okay, from and I also need employee salary, where basically employee join date is less than, so I need to pass the year. Here I have been provided 1985, so I will pass like 2020. So let's see, 2020 0101. So these are the employees. So these are basically the salaries of these employees. Now we need to give them 10% increase in their salary. So here I will make some changes, like I need to employ salary, I will mark it as old salary, and I will select again this salary, and I will include employee salary into 10% means 0.01, as I will write it as incremented salary. Okay, and then I will enter. So as you can see, we have old salary as this, and now we have got 10% increase in the salary. So these are the incremented salaries that we have got for these employees. Okay, now this one is also completed. Now delete the department details, which location is Mumbai. So let's see our department table first. So this is our department table, and we have, no, we don't have any department location as Mumbai. Let me first include this update. So let's see, now we have two employees having department location as Mumbai. So let's delete these. So very simple query it is. We have to mention the location that we need to delete. So as you can see, two rows affected, and now let's see our department table. So these two are not there. Okay, so this is our this. So now let me show you something crazy. So as you can see, our when I deleted the two records that have department location as Mumbai in from the department table, these two records got also deleted from the project table, because there was referential integrity between these two tables with on delete cascade. That's why the department ID 201 and 203 got deleted from the project table as well. So this is what was mentioned, use referential integrity constraint while creating with on delete cascade. Okay, so I hope you got it. So this is done. Now find the names of the project with location Pune. So let me see first. Yeah, we have Pune. So let's see. We have to specify the names of the project. So project name. Let me also write the project location so that you might see that we are only getting all the project names with location Pune. So, oh sorry, my mistake. I have to specify the neighbor name. So as you can see, these are the two that we were having in the project table with project location as Pune. Okay, now find the project having the cost in between these 10. Let's see. So this is our project table. Now let me write my query, that is, here we will make use of between. So select employee name, so sorry, project name and project cost from project, where project cost between, then we need to specify the values, that is, we have been provided with 1 lakh, so and then we have to provide 5 lakh. So these are the projects that have the project cost between 1 lakh to 5 lakh. As you can see, this is 1 lakh 20,000, this is 2 lakh. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I have to find the project having maximum price and find average of the project cost. Let me write. So this here we will make use of the aggregate functions, that is max. So project cost, find the project. So we have been asked to use, we have been asked to find the project. So let me, which is basically means the project name. So let me first write from project, max from the project. So it will give us a maximum project, a project that have the maximum project cost, but I need the name. So let me make use of the subquery, where project cost, so select, I will make use of the same previous query, project cost, where from. So as you can see, this last office management, which was having the highest project cost, maximum project cost, and this is what we have obtained. Okay, this is also done. Now average, also average. Let me write down. Make use of aggregate. Make use of aggregate function, that is average. Then project cost from project. Okay, so this is the average product cost of from all the projects. Okay, so now next is display all the employees with employee ID and employee name in decreasing order of their employee last name. So first we required employee ID, so employee name. So I have told you in the previous that we have to make use of concat, that is employee f name. You can make use of the spaces so that it will look nice. Last name from employee, where, no, this is order by clause which we have to use, employee last name. So as you can see, no, there is a mistake, sorry, I have made use of these inverted commas, I don't require this. Now as you can see, order by employee last name is it has given us, but we have to make use of descending, in the descending order, so we will make use of DESC as R. So this is, as you can see, first is Sheetal Sharma, so next is Vijay Kumar, next is, so you can see the following records. Okay, so it is based sorted based on the last name. Okay, now last query is display the project name, project location and project cost of all the projects that have started in these years. Okay, so let me first see what is in my project table. So this is my following, but I have not included these years, so let's take some other years, and rest you can do on your own. Project name, project location. Now I want project cost from projects, where project year is in, as we have to find out the project's name as well as the project location and cost from multiple years, so I will make use of in. Okay, so this is in, I will suppose I will use 2020, sorry, inverted commas I have to use, as it's I have used year as its data type. So this is 2023, or let's say 2025. Okay, so as you can see, we have these projects. Okay, so this was very simple practical that we have to implement. So I hope you have understood all this. So thank you.